I'm Sherilla Mowatt, brand manager for H&L Agro, and today I'm in Kingston in our H&L Agro store, and I'm here with
Terry and Lawrence. I'm the brand supervisor, H&L Agro Kingston, and we're located at 697 Spanish Town Road, just off 6 miles.
Awesome. Welcome, Terry. Thank you so much for having me inside your store, even though I'm in here every day, but let's not talk about that part. All right. So,
You're welcome.
today we are going to be speaking about a new feature at our H&L Agro stores. It is called our Instant Garden. Terry, you want to tell us a little bit more about our Instant Garden feature?
Okay, so with the Instant Garden, you come in store as a customer, you'll choose a seedling of your choice. You can choose whatever potting medium, because we have a variety of potting mediums. You can choose whatever container you want. We have flower pots, we have our grow bags, so you can choose a pot of your choice and a grow bag of your choice, because we have them in various sizes. Then a staff member here,
Expert staff member.
one of our technical staff member will perform the gardening for you. So we actually pot the seedling, and you leave with something to add to your garden.
So when you're finished, all I do is I just pick it up, I take it home, I put it down,
Voila!
and my garden is started.
Yes,
And I just, water from there. I don't need to go through the hassle of buying any, individual seeds and seedling trays and, planting it to see which one is gonna germinate. You guys will do all of that. We will do all of that for you.
Which is right.
Awesome. All right. So Terry, let's get started and show our lovely viewers how this thing works.
Okay, so today we have a variety of items. We are going to use the grow bag. As I said, we have our pots as well. So this is a 5-gallon grow bag that we have in store. We're going to use our sweet pepper seedling, and we have our easy grow garden soil that we're going to use. So this is a 10-pound. So with the garden soil, we're just going to open the bag and pour the soil into the grow bag.
Okay. All right.
We have a spade.
Terry, why not just throw the bag in or something?
Makes more sense.
Yes.
This will take the entire day.
Yes. All right.
All right.
Okay. All right. We'll create a little space there to put in the seedling.
Now we have our sweet pepper seedling that we have here in store. It is sold at $50 per seedling.
Oh my God.
So we're going to try to keep as much of the medium on this plant as to not disturb the root while we transplant it into our grow bag. So we place the seedling into that hole that we created earlier, and we're going to use the spade to put some of the medium near around the root. You have to plant it deep enough for it to be firm. So we're compressing some of the medium around the stem of the sweet pepper so that it can be firm. And there we have it. We just transplanted our sweet pepper seedling.
Yay!
And guys, please remember to add water after.
Awesome. All right. And of course, we not only give you your potted seedling in your pot and medium of choice, but we have our technical representatives in store who will recommend the care and all the products necessary for your instant garden that you're going to leave the store with to grow and thrive. So Terry, we have our Nutrex 2020 soluble fertilizer.
Soluble fertilizer.
All right.
We have another liquid fertilizer.
So we have our liquid feed, humic and fulvic acid. All right. And of course, we have our watering can. You do get that from us as well. And we have
phosphorus. Liquid fertilizer,
with
phosphorus, root development, flowering, fruiting.
All right. All right, and then we also have, all right, so we have a brand at H&L Agro. It is called Grower's Choice. We have quite a few products that come in this brand, and right here we have our shrub and bedding labels. So what you would now do, if for some strange reason you forget what you have in your grow bag here, you can actually use a marker, nice permanent marker, and make a note on the label, and you can stick this in your pot so that when you go outside to check on your garden, you know exactly what plants are in the pots or grow bags that you have there. Now these also come in handy for orchids or any other flowers that you may have in your garden, so you can know what the plant, crop or flower variety is. What else
we have our algas. Don't forget the algas.
Oh, but before we get to the algas, we have our gardening tool set, because you can't, you know, you need this for your garden.
Yes, you do.
All right. And then we also have the algas. Awesome. All right. So there you have it. H&L Agro, our instant garden. We take that hassle from you. No need to bother. I mean, if you're a gardening buff and you want that experience of, you know, planting in your seedling trays and watching, you know, the germination process. But if you want to cut out some of that work, like me,
yeah, definitely,
you can just come in store, you select your seedling, you select whether you want one of our lovely Grower's Choice pots or you want our biodegradable grow bag. We have our technical staff in stores such as Terry. You know, you can come to the store. So come to 697 Spanish Town Road and you can ask Terry. Right. So Terry, the instant garden, what kind of customer would you recommend get the instant garden?
Okay, so this is ideal for persons who don't have a lot of yard space. This can be done on your roof. It can be done on your veranda, your patio. It takes limited amount of space and it can be placed just anywhere.
All right, so for all the folks over there in, you know, the Sunshine City, right? For the folks over there in the Sunshine City, this is perfect for you to start your backyard garden without the, you know, backyard, right? But we have something just for you right here at H&L Agro. All right, so Terry, thank you so much for going through this demonstration with us here today. So I get to...
You're welcome, anytime.
I get to take it home.
We'll have to speak about this off here.
Yeah, man, let's speak about it. We'll speak about it. Right, let's speak about it tomorrow after I take it home. All right?
Okay,
Thank
Sherilla.
you.
You're welcome.